Okay, good morning class. So today we're looking at geometry, the workbook. At this point you guys have worked through the first 2 pages, correct? Alright, so let's go straight into it. So now we're looking at revision of the grade 8 geometry. Okay, the first question, calculate the values of the angle indicated by the small letters. So how do we calculate x in this case? Angles on a straight line, not so. So it's going to be x plus 44 plus 90 equals 180. Why? Straight line. Okay. So that's simply going to give us x is equal to 180 minus 90 minus 45, which is 46 degrees. See any confusion there? You just let me know when I'm moving too fast so you guys don't understand something. Okay. B. Are you going to calculate y? Vertically opposite. So y is equal to 86. Vertically opposite angles. Okay. Any confusion there? No. C. How do you calculate C? X here. Angles on a straight line. Okay, so we say x plus 90 plus 40 equals 180. Why? Angles on a straight line. So x is equal to 180 minus 90 minus 40, which gives an angle of 50 degrees. Okay. Now what? How do you calculate y? Corresponding. Vertically opposite angles there. Not so. Vertically opposite angles. Okay. Y is equal to? Vertically opposite angles. Okay. Any confusion? Not yet. And there's the same question come in your exam, then it's a different story. People D. Corresponding, that if is lying this way. Not so. So angle so M is equal to 144. So it is corresponding angles with PQ being parallel to RS. Okay. E. Calculate N. Now you're going to calculate N. Corresponding. If it's lying that way now. Not so. So N is equal to 100 degrees. We say it's corresponding angles with AB being parallel to CD. Okay. If we calculate if y, page 2. Thank you. How do you calculate y? Corresponding angles. That if is lying that way, not so. So y is equal to 160 degrees. We say it's corresponding angles with BD being parallel to. Right. You guys are asking, when is the grade 9 geometry starting? No? It's too easy for us. Alright, how do we calculate x? Angles on a straight line. Not so. So x plus 85 equals 180. Angles on a straight line. So x works out to be 180 minus 85, which is 95 degrees. Okay. So this is now 95. How do you calculate y? Corresponding. You see that if going that way. So y is equal to 95. It is corresponding angles with AB being parallel to C. People, you can't leave that out when you're busy with alternate, corresponding and co-interior. You must say which lines are parallel. Otherwise you're going to lose that reason mark. Okay. And we are greedy people, not so? We want all our marks. People, H. How do you calculate H? Sorry? Alternate angles, not so. So B is equal to 113. Why? It's alternate, it's at Z, alternate angles, with AB being parallel to D. Okay. I. Now you calculate X in I. Alternate. You will see that Z there. Okay, so X is equal to 136 degrees. So alternate angles with AB being parallel to C. Just look at F. So J. How do you calculate X in this case? Straight line. Hafsa? Look here, Michael. Angles on a straight line. So it's X plus 81 degrees equals 180. The angles on a straight line. So X is equal to 180 minus 81, which is 99 degrees. Okay. How do you calculate Y? Alternate angles. Okay. So Y is equal to 99 degrees and it's alternate angles. What? Sorry? NP. NP is parallel to F. Okay. Okay. You still on page 2? How many examples a lesson left on page 2? Last one. Okay. So how do we calculate A? Interior angles. So A plus 116 equals 180. Why? These co-interior angles with PQ being parallel to. So A is equal to 180 minus 116 gives you 60. 40. Alright, you guys understand? So that basically brings us to the end of page 2. In our videos, we're only going to do 2 pages at a time. Okay. But you guys have finished page 3 and 4 already. Right.